If you've ever wanted to trigger different thank you page offers based on how someone answers a form, this video is exactly what you need. I'll walk you through the easiest way to set it up using software I've tested across the board. And spoiler, I'll drop an exclusive free trial link in the description that only viewers of my channel can get. This isn't about using complex logic or hiring a developer. If you can build a basic form, you can do this. And I'll show you how to make it work with almost any offer, quiz, or lead magnet funnel. Let's start with what we want to achieve. When someone submits a form, we want their answer to a specific question, like budget, interest, or timeline, to automatically redirect them to a tailored thank you page. Maybe one page sells an upsell, another offers a consultation, and another just thanks them. You control the flow. Inside the software we're using, start by building your form. Add the question you want to use to determine the redirect. Make sure the field has a drop-down, radio buttons, or multiple choice, something with fixed answers you can track. Next, go to your form settings and look for conditional logic or redirect rules. Every decent tool will have this. Set a rule that says if the user selects option A, redirect them to thank you page A. Do the same for the other options. Keep the URLs clean, like Ask Thank You Consult or Thank You Guide, so it's easy to manage later. Now here's the trick that most people miss. Test every variation. Fill out the form multiple times with different answers to make sure the redirects fire correctly. A single typo in a value match can break the logic. Most of the errors I see come from mismatched text or forgetting to publish the logic. You can also stack these thank you page offers with tracking pixels or custom conversion events, depending on your ad platform. That way, you not only redirect them, you also track what kind of user they are. The software we're using makes this stupid simple. You just click to add conditions, select the answer, and paste the URL. Done in under 2 minutes once your pages are ready. If you want to follow along or just try it out yourself, I've left an exclusive free trial link in the description that's only available to viewers of Dan Thorne's channel. So what's the key takeaway? If you're not customizing your thank you pages based on form answers, you're leaving conversions on the table. This tiny tweak makes your funnel feel personalized and smart without adding any friction. To quickly recap, ask the right question in your form, use fixed answers you can track, set conditional redirects based on responses, test every path to make sure it works, and optionally, track with pixels for next level optimization. Make sure to grab the exclusive trial link below so you can set this up today with the same software I used. It's fast, flexible, and just works. That's it for this one. See you in the next tutorial.